We are going to solve the puzzle studies, kids, today. So
Again, night folk.
yes, night folk. Let us wrap up night folk. Actually, these are some simple ones which you can solve. Okay. Now look
I
at.
understood the answer.
Oh wow, good. Look at the board position, kids. Do the required white to play. Do the required calculation and then decide what will be our answer. Okay, let's go one by one, kids. Okay, so let me ask to Ahana first. Ahana is going to tell us the answer first. Okay, so let her.
I'm thinking.
Yeah, think and then tell. Okay, no hurries, Ahana.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, white to play, right?
Yes, white to play.
So today I made a Christmas tree with paper.
Okay, good.
But I submitted it in the school.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna brought words.
Okay. So other kids are also going to solve it. The only thing is don't tell the answer unless and until I come to you. Okay, kids?
Yeah. This one is super easy. I know the answer.
Don't talk, Aradhya. I mean, don't tell the answer, okay? Other things you can talk.
Yeah, I'm not in the answer. I'm just saying this puzzle is easy.
Mm-hmm.
And I know the answer.
Okay.
Very easy. It's even using sacrifice. Very easy. When you didn't share also, it was moving and I understood the answer.
Wow.
Is it two?
So I can. Yes, Ahana. Please go ahead.
Sir, first
No, no, no. Aradhya, no, it's not one moment, okay?
Sir, not even that is the right work.
Yes. Okay, Ahana, please go ahead. What will you do?
Yes, sir. First, we will move our queen to G6.
Queen captures G6.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to give queen in lieu of the knight? You are sacrificing your queen, Ahana. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me capture it then.
Yes, sir. Now we will move our knight to F6 and give a check, and there will be a knight 4.
Oh, okay.
Sir, it was my idea.
Yes, that's the solution, kids. Okay.
I had another idea of knight work.
Okay. Hold on, kids. Let Ahana finish this.
Idea.
Yes, Ahana. What next?
Sir, capture the queen.
Okay. But then what benefit you got here? I mean, you lost your queen, you lost your knight. You get the queen, you get the knight. What is the benefit you got?
Black has less pawns.
Right. Black is having less number of pawns. Okay. And white has extra pawns like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And these 2 pawns are extra. Okay. And that is the reason, even if it was an equal exchange, it was a good deal, Ahana. Okay. So you solved it correctly. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now,
can we see the whole? Sir,
yes. Now the question is, are we going to win this game, kids? Okay.
yes,
so,
sir, because we have pawn extra.
Right. So before that, let me ask Rishika. Rishika, are you saying something?
Yes, sir. I want to tell another answer. I want to tell another answer.
Okay, we'll come to that. We'll come to that. Okay.
Hana's.
Okay. For the same problem, you want to give another answer, Rishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, queen to h4.
Queen to h4.
Wow.
Okay. But then
Then
it
the
will
knight
capture,
will
right?
capture.
Yes.
Then we will give a check and capture the queen.
But then
Yeah,
is this good one, Rishika?
No.
Is it better than
No,
the previous
because
one?
maybe did not take more benefit.
Right. In this case, what you did, you gave your knight plus queen, okay, and
Yeah.
got only queen. Okay, so although this is also one of the solution, but this is not obviously a good solution. Okay, because
Sir,
what happens?
Solution.
Okay, let's discuss this, kids, first. Okay, so good that you thought about this, Rishika, but then you understood the difference. In the first solution, you are getting the knight. Okay, right? This is what happened in the first one, that we gave the queen, we gave the knight, but then we got the knight back, we got the queen back, right? In the second solution, you are giving the queen absolutely free. You are not getting anything back in lieu of that. Okay. Then you are giving check and trying to get back the queen. So you gave the queen, you got the queen back, but then you are losing the knight extra. Here the black knight is on the board, and now here chances of black winning is more compared to that of white. Okay, this is the difference, kids. Okay, so it's not the thing that the solution is not, it's not a solution, it is a solution, but the first one was better. Okay, let me come to Vidhi now. Vidhi have some third solution, kids. Okay, so let's see what Vidhi is suggesting. Yes, Vidhi.
To F7. Capturing the pawn.
You are giving queen to F7.
Yeah.
My goodness, this is different. Okay, I will capture. Next.
And knight to G5, but that is the same of Rishika's.
No, but knight to G5 is not going to capture, right? You are giving a checkmate to your king, Vidhi. This is not solution at all. This is a blunder. Okay?
Blunder.
Yeah, so you converted your winning game into a loss.
Sir,
No worries. No worries, kids. Still, I am happy that you are thinking. Okay. Let us talk about more solutions. Any other solution, kids, for the same problem?
I have an idea. Solution.
Okay,
I have
Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
My idea is the same, but instead, first I'll take my knight to G5.
G5. Okay.
Now, no, I'll take my knight to
You want to take your knight here?
No, sir.
To attack on the queen?
No, sir. I want the knight to protect the queen, so I can take the queen to G6 and give check, and then from there I want with the knight. Then I want to cut there, and then with the knight help I want to.
Okay, then think and then tell. Think and then tell. Okay. Janvi, are you saying something? Janvi?
That so my plan is checkmate.
Okay.
I was raising the hand, the one which Ahana told.
Okay. No worries. Let me. Can you lower your hand, kids, if you are done? Just lower your hand.
Sir,
Rishika, anything for you?
Sir,
Okay.
I figured out.
Sorry. Yes, Aradhya.
e5 pawn to e6.
E5 pawn to E6 will get captured. Okay.
And then capture the queen.
Okay. So you reduced your one pawn. The one which was extra you gave free.
Now,
Not a fair idea, Aradhya. Let's go back. Okay, kids. What else? If all are done, Prathamesh, Avika, Arush, any other idea, kids?
wait. So before that, let's think. Let me think. Otherwise, 2 minutes.
Okay. So by that time, this is the solution, kids. Okay, that we discussed. This comes, then you play this. It comes here. You capture. It captures. Okay. And now the white pawns, which are 2 extra pawns, you can win the game with the help of this. Okay. So first of all, you will start pushing your king. It will start pushing his king. Come. Okay. Now you are losing the pawn. That is fine. Okay. Now if it comes here, yes, we will do this. Comes here. We will do this. It captures. Okay. Lost the pawn. No worries. It's coming here. Captured. Push. Comes here. Push. Queen. Will the black convert this into a queen?
No, sir.
No.
White queen will capture. We will directly capture it with our queen.
Right. If it does, then it will get captured. Okay. So obviously black will not. But generally what happens, kids, you know, because you are in hurry, right? White is promoting. Let me also promote, right? I will tell you guarantee. I can give you guarantee. 90% of the times kids will make the mistake. They will promote the queen here immediately and they will lose the game. Okay. But you do not have to make this mistake. Okay. Take it back. Wait for a while. Okay. Now what black will do? Maybe black will push this pawn. Okay. But then what you have to do? You don't have to worry. Just come here and sit idle. Now tell me, will the king dare to come here and capture your queen?
No,
he cannot come. Obviously not. He cannot come. He
No,
cannot
sir,
come,
it
right?
cannot come.
Right. So what he will do? Probably he will push this. Fine. You can come here, right? It will go here. Start pushing your pawn. Come here. Start pushing your pawn. Comes here. Okay. Now what you will do, kids?
Sir, now we simply now we will get it to B2 or B1.
Right. Now you need to capture one of them, right? So captured. It comes here. You push. He promoted. You promoted. Okay. I am telling you another side.
It is not at all good.
Okay.
Now, sir,
Now he will give check. Now you come back. Now only thing that you have to do is you will have to be very careful that in case instead of coming here, if you come this side, your game is gone. Right? So you need to be careful here. Yes, Aradhya, are you saying something?
yes. Can you go back a few moves? No. After the queens get promoted, both of the queens the other way.
Okay.
Now
So-
bring the queen. Now bring the queen to G7.
Sorry.
No, the white queen, but bring the white queen to G7.
No, but it is black's turn now, right?
Right? But can you bring it to G7 after black's turn?
If black plays here, how can I move the queen here, Aradhya? There is a check to the king, right? I need to move the king, correct?
Yeah, but we can, instead of moving the king, we can
Can we,
play the
you tell me, can we move this?
no, not there. We can't, not there. Instead,
Hmm.
instead bring it to G6.
What? King or queen?
King. No, I mean queen, not king.
Queen cannot come here. There is a check to
Oh.
the king. It will be illegal move, Aradhya. Right?
I thought it would be here. It would be protecting the king. I thought that.
There is no concept of protecting the king. King is always better, right? So you cannot,
Okay.
when it is under check, you cannot. Okay. Yeah. In case if the queen would have been here and you are bringing here, that is good. Okay. But when the king is under attack, you cannot play this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you need to be
I
careful,
have one
kids.
more
Okay.
solution.
Yes.
Sir, I have a solution.
Okay. Yes.
No, before promotion.
Before promotion itself, right? That's what I
Yes,
thought.
over here. No. One step ahead. When the black pawn was at B2.
Okay.
Black pawn at B2.
Okay.
If we either sacrificing the queen, if we move it to D1.
D1. And what will you achieve by doing that? It will promote. You will capture. It will promote and give check. So at least earlier you had the other queen on the board. Now you don't have any queen.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, so coming back here, kids. Okay. So I'll go little back. When it promoted, you captured. Okay. Now when he starts pushing, okay. When he starts pushing the pawn, you come here. Okay. Maybe he's pushing. Come here. Come here. Right. Now. Okay. Now what he will do?
So,
He'll come here. Check. Comes here. No other solution. Is there any other position where the king can go, kids? No. Right?
No.
Okay. So again, capture. Okay. Now this time it will come here. Again give the check. No worries. Yeah. Again comes here. Don't worry. Okay. Now if you play this, okay, just want to show you. Isn't it a stalemate, kids?
It is a stalemate.
Okay. So you need to be careful. So playing this move is dangerous. Okay. So now what you need to do? You need to play this. It comes here. Sacrifice your queen. Do not worry for it. Okay. Now how I did dare to sacrifice my queen? Okay. Because I have still one more queen. Now let him run fast. Whatever with speed, 100 cc, 200 cc, he cannot stop. Okay. Now you are easily winning the game. Okay. Now one queen mate, you know, right? I don't need to tell this again, right? So maybe because Avika is there. Okay. Avika, are you there?
Who's Avika?
Yeah. Avika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You know one queen mate? How to do the checkmate? Do you know, Avika?
Is it Avika or Apika?
Let her tell. Avika, can you start your camera and talk to all the kids, all other kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question to you, Avika. Do you know how to do the one queen mate?
No, sir.
No. Okay, now let me ask Arush. Arush is going to teach Avika now how to do the
Sir,
one
I
queen
wanted
mate.
to
Okay,
tell.
hold on, let Arush answer first. Yeah, yes Arush, how will you do that? You have to tell the concept conceptually. Okay, yes.
Yes, sir. Well, bring my queen to.
Janvi शांत बसायचं बेटा, don't dance. Okay.
I'll
चलो
bring
Arush.
my queen to. I'll bring my queen to g4.
G4. Okay, so he is bringing the queen here, Avika. Okay, now let me ask Arush. Arush, why here? Why not somewhere else?
Sir, it will block the line and
Okay,
the king
so
has two places to move.
okay, very good. So
D5 and d6.
very good. Avika, what he did by bringing the queen here, he blocked this side of the board. All these lines now are blocked for the black king. Okay, black king will not be able to enter into this territory. Okay, this concept is called as blocking the line. Okay, what is it called, Avika?
Blocking.
Blocking the line.
Okay, so this is very important concept in chess. Okay, reason for asking this special question is because it was already covered earlier, right? And you are joining in between, so I just thought of getting this covered for you. Okay, so is the case with Aradhya or any other kids? If you still need some revision, kids, pay attention. Okay, so this concept is called as blocking the line. It doesn't allow the king to enter into specific territory. Okay, now let us see what happens after this. Okay, so sorry.
It's just one puzzle done and so much time. Dad, the black has to move.
Yeah, black has to move, right? Yes. Okay, sorry, it was black's turn. Okay, so instead of coming here, it will come this side, right, Arush? Now, because it was black's turn. Okay, so it has blocked. Okay, now next what will happen? Suppose black played here. What next, Arush?
Sir, I'll bring my queen to g4.
Queen to
g4.
no, but then how does that matter actually? If you come here, the king will come this side, right? Okay, who else will tell? Prathamesh, Tanvi. Yes, Janvi. Yes, Janvi.
Either moving the queen if we put the king to d3.
King to
d3.
no. Let me ask someone else. Rishika.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Can I? Yes, sir. So we are just going to move our king to f2.
King to
Can
F2.
I?
Who is that? Vidhi?
Can
Yes, Vidhi.
Can I?
Can I answer?
Okay. Ahana.
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, Rishika.
Sir,
If you have the appropriate one.
can I?
Kids,
Sir,
when I say, one second, kids. Okay. When you say can I, please take your name behind after that. Okay. Because honestly speaking, I may not able to recognize all your voices. Okay.
can I?
Rishika.
Yes, Rishika, tell me fast and
Sir,
be
can
fast,
I
kids.
tell?
Okay. Yes,
So,
Rishika.
I think the king will move to d3.
No. Okay. Vidhi, fast.
Sir, can I? Move to e3.
No. Okay, let me tell kids. Okay. Where is Avika? Avika is paying attention. Okay. Okay. And for not only for Avika, but for all kids. Okay. Revision is required. Honestly, we will enter the king here. Okay. Why? Because the king is blocking this line. King is blocking this line, right? So there is no other way for the black king to either come here or enter into this territory, right? So what we will do, we will push the king so that if the king comes here, it will enter into opposition. Correct? You remember the concept of opposition, kids?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes. Sir.
But instead of this, if we come here, obviously it is not going to come here because there is already a check, correct? And that is the reason we are coming to this side of the board. Okay. Okay. So Avika, now pay attention. Okay. When I come here and the black king comes here, both the kings are in front of each other and they are blocking these three squares for each other. This concept is called as opposition. Okay. What is it called? Opposition. Now, what is the benefit of opposition is when the king enters into opposition, you can give check from the same row where the king is. Okay. Now, because the king is in opposition, king cannot come any of these squares. Okay. And no choice for the king but to go back. Now, have you seen earlier these squares were blocked for the king, right? All these squares. Now, along with that, the fifth rank is also blocked. Okay. So slowly what we are going to do, we are going to push the king again into opposition, coming back, right? Again into opposition. So slowly, now this is also blocked, right? Coming here. Okay. Let me give check. It comes here.
So would the
Okay.
queen move from there? So why can't the king now like enter the three blocks?
Which blocks you are saying?
No, so the last three blocks, the opposition.
1 second. Are you asking here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like the
This is opposition, right? Can the king come here?
No.
Because of the white king, it cannot come, right? Avika. Otherwise, white
Yes.
king will capture the king, right? That is the reason it cannot come. And this is what is called as opposition. Neither white king can go here actually. If it is white's move, for example, can white king go here? No. Even white king cannot go. Both the kings cannot go there. That is why it is called as opposition. Okay. Now, when you block this, this is blocked. This is blocked because of the king, right? So, obvious, and this is blocked by the queen. So there are only two squares for the king now. Okay, so king comes here. You again put into opposition. Now there are two choices, right? Three choices, in fact. Okay, so if it comes here, you need to be careful now, kids. Okay, so suppose you gave the check, it enters here. Okay, now if you move your king, it will be a blunder. Okay, because yes, there is no check and the king got mate. Okay, so mate without check, it is called as stalemate. Everybody knows this, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Avika, for you, this is a stalemate. Okay, so you need to be careful. Now what you will do, you will give some space for this king. Let him come. Okay.
Sir, it's Rishika. Can you
Yes,
just
Rishika.
go a few steps back when the black king was on h7?
Black king was on h7.
Yes,
Here?
sir. No.
Hmm.
Yes, here, sir. Sir,
Okay.
instead of like bringing the king over here and all, can't we just move our queen to g6 or h6 and give a check?
G6. Okay. How will that matter? Again, it's a only one square, right? Now what will you play next?
Wow, queen very far away.
h6. Then we'll move to x6 and give a check.
F6,
No, h6.
H6. Okay. What next?
Then we will move our king to f6. Not queen.
Queen. Okay, not queen. The king. Okay. Thank you. You made a stalemate again. Okay.
I got
Rishika,
a half point.
you gave me other way to tell the stalemate. Okay.
You said me.
Anyways, kids. Okay. So coming back, let me show you the quick checkmate now, kids. Okay. After this, okay, when it goes here, just give some space to the king. Okay, for this king you need to give some space. Okay, let him play around. Okay, you know that these 3 squares are blocked. No worries, I will give check. It will come here. Again I will come here. Okay, why now I am able to push the king? Because I know that these 2 squares are for the black king. He will play around, right? When it, as soon as it comes here, there are ways to checkmate. You can checkmate from here, you can checkmate from here, you can checkmate from here. It's a check and mate. Okay, understood? I
Yes,
think
sir.
this revision was very much required for everyone. Avika, did you get the concept of how to do the checkmate with one queen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's come back here. So as I told, this was required, but then you need to be very careful when you are ahead with 2 pawns. Okay, you have to not only stop your opponent's pawn getting promoted, but also promote your own pawn. Okay, let's go to the next one, kids. Now this time, who is going to answer? Yes, is that Vidhi? Who is going to answer first now?
Sir, who to play, black or white?
Good question. Who is having the knight?
Of course, the white.
Okay, so
White.
white to play. Okay. Okay. So yes, Vidhi.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
This is what I want to answer.
Who is that? Who is that I? Who is that I?
Aradhya.
No. Other than Aradhya, who said I?
Vidhi. No, I said Aradhya. I said. But
No,
before that, I said.
Okay. Hold on in that
Yeah.
case. Yes, Arush. Arush, you want to give?
Yes, sir.
I can see Prathamesh also raising the hand. We'll come to Prathamesh after this. Yes, Arush.
Sir, queen to F6. F6.
Queen to F6, giving check. Or you are sacrificing your queen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the answer. That's the answer.
Okay.
Sir, knight E4.
Knight to E4. Very good. This is a knight fork. Giving check to the king, capturing the queen. Okay. So it comes here. Captured. What next?
Now we can.
Sir, pawn to C8. Pawn to C8.
Want to see.
But it's black turn
It's
first.
black's turn, right? That's what I said. And that's the reason I played here actually, kids. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, knight
Knight to E4.
Knight to E4. Are you sure? E4 or F5?
F5, sir.
That is the reason here. Okay. E4 cannot capture because otherwise there was a support, Ahana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now comes here. Captured. Not to worry. Okay, even I don't need to worry. It's a waiting move, Janvi. Okay. You need to wait for some time. Now, if this happens, kids, okay. If this happens, you need to bring the support here, okay. It will come here. Capture, captured. Okay. Now, not to worry.
Push the pawn.
Whatever the speed it takes, it will not be able to stop your pawn from promotion. And again,
Yeah.
we enter into the one queen mate solution. Okay.
Sir, no need
Let-
again of
Yes,
continuing.
let me ask to Prathamesh now. Prathamesh, any other solution than what Arush told?
No, sir, I had the same solution.
Same one. Okay, kids. Okay, so let's quickly go for the next one. This time, let me ask to Prathamesh directly. Okay,
Wow. White to
white
play
to play.
or black?
Yes, white to play, kids.
Always. Yeah, I think so we have solved these.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I
We
also
have solved
thought
this
that
one.
we have solved this.
okay. So
Last
give the answer fast in that case, kids.
Yeah. I also think so.
See now what is important, kids. Even if we have solved it, and if you are still struggling to solve, now you can understand how important it is to study the puzzles, right?
Yeah. Sir, can I say?
Removing the defender concept we learned, kids.
Yeah.
What is the risk?
No, sir.
No. I know, sir.
Okay. So just look at this and then answer, kids. Okay.
Sir, is this a nightbook puzzle?
Yes.
Rishika,
Yes, Rishika.
do we have to capture the queen only with knight fork, or we can capture the queen?
Whatever the way you want to win. I don't mind even if you don't do the night folk. Okay.
Sir, night second.
Yes, Aradhya. Aradhya, bolo, jaldi bolo.
Sir, the rook is going. If we don't move the queen, the rook will capture the queen. So we have to move the queen.
If you capture the queen with the rook, the other rook will capture your queen.
No, sir, that is what I'm saying. I'm saying the black rook will capture the queen. That's the other way is not what I'm saying.
Okay. So it's white's turn. White to play. So you can save your queen. Yes, Arush.
Yeah. So we'll move. I will capture the queen with my
You will capture the queen with
rook.
your rook. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, instead of that,
Now I give the check from here. You have
I
no.
will capture the rook. Capture the rook.
There is a discovered attack.
Now we will lose a queen.
Hey, kids, shh, all of you please silent. Yes, Arush.
Sir, it is less than 1 minute.
Queen to
Less than 1 minute. King to G1. Sir, knight
G1.
queen to G1. Even. Sir, I'll capture the pawn. Capture.
Okay.
Sir, promote.
Okay.
But-
Even this is fine, kids. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's stop here for today. Tomorrow we will solve the same one. Okay, from here, because now it's less than a minute, kids. Okay. So
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed today's. Yes, we will continue tomorrow, kids. Okay.
Sir, I had one more for this.
We will solve this the same puzzle, Janvi, tomorrow. Okay. We will
Okay,
discuss
sir.
in detail. Okay. Bye bye, kids. Enjoy.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye bye.
bye.